Today's video is about how to not run as much time on dialysis or how to reduce your time running on dialysis. So this video is for people who are just starting dialysis, who still have some kidney function and who don't want to run the full amount of time. So these are things you can do, and we're going to talk about the criteria for that, who are good candidates for this. And this is also for people that are on dialysis and looking to reduce their time. So first of all, we've had a lot of documented cases of this, and now it's becoming more and more prevalent where they used to not try these approaches. Now we're actually trying them a lot, not running the full amount of time on dialysis. So first off, to be a candidate for this, you have to be stable, okay? Meaning you need to have your blood pressure under control, your blood sugar, and any other metrics with kidney disease and markers need to be under good control. You need to be stable. If you're not stable, okay, you shouldn't try this. It's not recommended. So you need to be stable. You need to be under a care of a nephrologist, okay? You should have a primary cardiologist, and make sure you're taking all your medications. You can't do it if you're not going to take your medications. You're not going to control things like blood pressure, and you're not going to be stable. So have to be metabolically stable, okay, and fairly healthy to try something like this with all your values in order. So that's first. Okay, you have to be urinating to some degree. If you're not urinating, you're not going to be able to reduce your time. Unfortunately, there's no other way to get fluid out of you, okay, unless you do dialysis or by urinating. So you have to be urinating to some degree. All right, with that, all your sodium, phosphorus levels should be under good control. That goes back to being really stable. So the one thing people have done, the one thing across the board that people who are able to run less time is they're very proactive in their health, and they're doing a lower protein diet, lower sodium, but it's the lower protein that's really the one thing across the board that's shown for majority of people who are able to reduce their time or hold on to a lot of residual kidney function and not run the full amount of time on dialysis. As low as protein you go is up to you. You can go very low, or a lot of cases they show just a low protein diet was able to keep people keep their kidney function running less time. You have to be low sodium, and yet have to be balancing all your other nutritional markers. So those are the main parts. Now, if you go a step further, you want to make sure that your albumin, it's a marker on your blood test that we use for malnutrition and kidney disease. It's a marker of how well your protein levels are in your body. So that has to be at 4.0 and above, which is ideal. It's what you want. You can be a little low, but you really want to be 4.0. If you're not, you can take essential amino acids. You can take keto analogs of essential amino acids. We do discuss things in other videos so that you can get your albumin in the proper range. An important thing too is you have to be having regular bowel movements. Okay, you have to be able to get kidney toxins out of your body some way, and they come out through your bowel movements, through your colon. So if you're having regular bowel movements, that's good. If you're not, you need to take something, correct it somehow by getting the proper amounts of water, but make sure you check with your doctors how much water you should be drinking. And then you can always use fibers. Okay, so a lot of people that do more than just a diet, which you have documented. I've seen a lot of people, consulted with a lot of people, so they don't have to run as much time, is that generally you need some type of fiber supplement or something to absorb kidney toxins and keep them flushing out your body. Acacia fiber, one of the preferred fibers. We have psyllium. You can use laxative products. I don't recommend them, but if you need to go, you need to go, and laxatives are okay in that situation. Other things are activated charcoal, which does very well for people looking to reduce their time. So activated charcoal, you take it with each meal. Probiotics are also important. They keep the toxin load down. So these are just advanced techniques. The basics is being stable, taking your medications, urinating, low protein diet, and then you can add on further, which a lot of people do because they just feel better, improves their numbers, their quality of life, because you're just supporting good kidney health, good nutritional health for your kidneys. So thanks for watching, everybody. Drop some questions in the comments section, get back to you. Make sure to like, subscribe. If you don't know about the essential amino acids, keto analogs, check out our other videos. We have videos just for that. And to your best kidney health, everyone. Bye.